Hi everyone. I'm just here taking you to do an experiment with me how to charge your Tesla if you are a new owner or you're just curious about getting Tesla. So right now I'm going to the electric charge station, and previously I told the Tesla I'm going to the charger car. So I'm in the map, I'm going to charge to it, and the car engaged something called preconditional, which warm up the battery. So when I arrive, the battery will be heated already, and that will make the charging experiment go faster. So right now I'm going to the charge, and I will take you with me to show you how to do it, and get the tips that I learned from it. So technically, if you go to the charger and there was a car's charged, don't stop next to them, don't park next to them. Try to park between one car space between you and the one who is in next to you, so you can get a faster charge from the station itself. And this is a tip from Tesla itself. I didn't came up with it. If you go to the tips how to charge, it will tell you that, indicate you to go to the place or the space where there is no other cars in it, and you keep one car between you and the next Tesla who's charging, or another car. So right now I'm almost here. I'm assuming maybe there is one car charging. Let's see. Yep, there is one car. So as you can see, when you go and you want to charge, stop in the charger that there is nobody next to you, left or right. I see one car in there, so I'm assuming I will stop here in this spot, so I'm far away from him. This is not a solid tip, like it will make a huge difference, but it's just like recommended, so don't judge me about it. Okay, you go back, you make the charger on your left side. All right, so this is the charger I'm talking about. You need to make it on your left side. Alright, once you stop, engage the brake. That's what I always do. And here, let's go to charge. So technically, the charger here is connected by the what's this called? Magnetic. So you just take it like that, easy. Come here. I see a lot of videos where people tap it. They do it for fun. It's not necessary to do it. It's just like for fun. But we didn't do it. I didn't do it. You hit this button here. It's supposed to open that right away. If it didn't open, you open it from here. You just put your finger and you open it. So, but I will try first to open it by the charger itself. Now it's open, as you can see. When it's white, click it in. It will be blue. Wait until it's getting green. When it's turned green, that means it's charging. Now everything is good. You can even double check it from here. If you see the car inside, it said supercharge, 19 minutes, 25 minutes, but it will reduce. If you wait a little bit, it will reduce. So yeah, so then you will hear the electric charge going on from here, and that's it. You really don't need to do anything. Once you finished, or before you finished, let me tell you something. You can do that by your phone, but since I am recording from the phone, You go here. Once you get inside, you go to the charger. Then will indicate how much charge you want to charge to. There is 20%, which where the car at right now, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. Between 80 and 100, it's for trip. Even the Tesla show it to you here, so you don't have to go all the way. But if it's just for daily, I set it to 80%. If you are rush, you want to leave, go to 40 or anything like near to you. So once it's reached that point, you will get a notification by the app, the Tesla app. You will get a notification by the car too, in this screen, that it will say like the charger is almost there. And then from that point, you go out and you do the same thing. You just hit the charger and it will open, or you go here with unlock the charger or stop charging, and it will do that. Here, what I mean by that, once it's finished, you go here and you click that, and it will tell you why. Then you take it out, then you put it back. The Tesla door here, it will close by itself, so you really didn't need to do anything. So yeah, that's technically how to charge your car. Tesla recommend you charge in the home, by the way, with a voltage that from the home, I believe it's 400 volt, 200 to 400, something like that. The Supercharge where I'm charging right now is not recommended for every day. So that means you just do it whenever you have no option to charge your car. Then you go to the Tesla charger to charge. But that doesn't mean you do it every day. That will affect the battery life. That's according to Tesla recommendation. And to be honest, I charge mostly in the Supercharge, just for one reason. I have a free Supercharge for 6 months. I get my car in December of 2023, and they have a promoting that 6-month free Supercharge. So I use that promoting now. Once it's finished, that's mean I do charge in the home sometime, but I have the small slow charger, which will take days to fully charge. As you need to know, there is like 3 charger for Tesla. The slow one that I'm telling you about in the home, and there is another one in the home, the 400 voltage, but that one need to be built. The outlet need to be built, and there is the Supercharge, which is this. This is outside of the home. So yeah, I think this is it for the charging. I didn't think I can add any more. It's that simple. How the money goes, how to pay? You don't pay anything to anyone when you charge. They will take it from your Tesla account, where your application, the phone application is. There is an account that you open. They will just withdraw it right away once you charge after you finished. Yeah. And you can change that credit card in there too. So there is no cash you need to charge, and no one to meet here to make you charge your car. You just do everything by yourself, and that's it. So yeah, feel free if you want to ask me any question. If there's anything that I didn't know you want to say, just drop it in the comment. Appreciate every one of you. Take care.